How to get NDIS funding, a step-by-step guide by iHelp Disability Services. Check your eligibility on the NDIS website. The link can be seen here and in the description. Complete the access request form. Again, the link can be seen here and in the description. Alternatively, you can complete the access request form over the phone. Gather supporting information from a health professional as evidence of your disability. They should be the most appropriate person to provide evidence of your primary disability, and you have been a patient of theirs for a significant period of time. The list for the types of disability evidence can be found here and in the description. Send the access request form along with the disability evidence to the NDIA one of the following 3 ways. Via email. Send it in the mail, or take a hard copy to a local NDIA office. The NDIA may request for more information to be sent to them to decide about the request. In that case, you will need to complete a supporting evidence form which can be found here. The NDIA will send you a letter to notify you that they received your access request form submission and whether the application has been successful. The NDIA will arrange for you to have a NDIS plan meeting with a local area coordinator. It is important that you are prepared for this meeting, so the LAC has a good understanding of your needs, goals and what you want included in your NDIS plan. A list of questions that will be asked in the NDIS plan meeting can be found here. During the implementation on your NDIS plan, if you have support coordination as a support, you can contact iHelp Disability Services and we can go through your NDIS plan and connect you to the best supports available for you to be able to achieve the goals outlined in your plan. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to contact us.